Yeah, hi everyone. Is there any questions from the previous sessions? Anyone have any questions or any doubts?
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, I said
Yes, Bharat.
the session didn't we didn't go through the session because there's no recording. And
Okay. Yeah,
can
actually,
I know
I already
my
told. Tell me.
my doubt is you will have some experience right before you don't have any experience like recording these
See,
sessions
for
or
every time recording, the respective institutes they have this premium accounts, and
yeah.
they will have the admin department, and they will only do the recording.
Okay, that's what
Yeah,
now
but
also
but
there is an
right now
organization,
we
right?
don't have any premium, right? So we have the free account only.
No, sorry, my question is
Tell me.
you are the organization, right?
No, we are not a training organization. We are a digital marketing agency. Okay, so where we provide digital marketing services. So
Yeah,
for
that's
that,
what the
yeah,
agency should have you are going to plan some recordings and some sessions. You will take some permissions, right? You need to plan like this. That's what my question is because in the middle we are facing these issues. If starting only you need
but
to go
starting
through all
nobody
these, right?
asked me to, we need, we need to have the recording. Then only we will take you as a trainer. Nobody asked me to, you should have the recording software. Then only we will consider you. If that is the
Sir,
case, yeah.
I'm not saying about you. I'm asking about the organization. Like the HR is there, and can I know
Yeah, because
any
see, I
HR
am a
person?
trainer, so
Yes,
I
yes.
think you can contact maybe HR department so that they
Yeah,
can, yeah,
someone HRs has joined, right? So I'm asking them, not if I question you, you may question them, right?
yeah, maybe I think they are there. Let's ask maybe Mohit sir.
Yeah, Mohit. Oh, Lord.
So I don't know. So as of now, I understand the recording is a problem, but I think the HR team should find some solution for this because
Okay, sir. I'm because day by day the sessions are going, we can't able to revise. Then the burden will be us, right?
yeah, I can
Okay.
understand Bharat completely.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I do one thing. Devyani gave some task on Friday, last Friday,
Mm-hmm.
to create posters. I have created 4 posters. If you
Okay.
don't mind, I will
Sure,
share my screen and
you can
suggest
share your
me.
screen. Yeah.
Yeah,
Sure.
that is better
Exactly. See,
before.
before every session, we'll have a quick this doubt clearing session. Obviously, if you face any difficulties also while doing, maybe you may not get it, so we can discuss in the sessions. Okay. And
Yeah,
yeah, at least,
is my screen visible?
yeah, your screen is visible.
Okay. Regarding digital marketing workshop, I have created.
Okay, this one you created as a digital marketing workshop, right?
Workshop. Yeah, yeah.
So okay, fine. So first of all, there is no visual image. You are means you haven't used any image. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
any element or any image with high quality. Okay, it should not be some random image like that. So see, whenever you are designing something, you need to understand who is your target audience. Okay, are your target audience, suppose they are professionals, okay, who are willing to upgrade, or are they,
Okay.
unemployed students who want to, learn and get their first job. So
Yeah.
you need to be very clear with your target audience, and then for them, whether you write a copy means whatever you have written text, or the image which you are using should be related to them. Means if I see the poster, I should be relate to it, the poster. Okay. And
Okay.
if you only use the text now, then people nowadays, nobody will, maybe
Yes.
if they
Yes.
see particularly, then that is different, but nobody is interested to read and all. So you
Okay.
need to somehow show the visual. Okay. And another
Yeah.
thing is, yeah, tell me, sorry.
Like we need to add some picture and we need to mention the those who can attend the sessions. You are
Yeah,
saying, right?
means the picture also should be related to them. Suppose if you are
Yeah.
doing this for students, then you keep the
Okay.
students, learning something, or using their
Yeah.
laptops, okay, or some
Yes.
social
Yes.
media
Got it.
icons or doodle icons, where by seeing that they will understand immediately. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
And
Okay.
another thing is, if you see the heading, means the background which you used, and the heading, somehow the color alignment is not there. Okay, so
Okay.
see
Yeah. Yeah.
the because of the background which you used, the text should change the color completely, because see right now they are more or less in the similar way.
Yeah.
Maybe there is a slightly different, obviously they are different colors only, but the visibility, you need to see the visibility factor. Okay, suppose for this background, is this text color is proper or not. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So somehow that is also not working. And I think you changed the logo color, right? Logo color you changed, or is it the defined, means
No.
regular
No.
color?
This is the same logo. I didn't change anything. I just used
Okay.
it in the Canva only.
Okay. So same logo you just uploaded, and you have not
Yes.
changed any
Yes.
color, right? Yeah.
No. No.
So make sure that is important. Always, whatever the logo you get, always make sure you should design everything according to your logo, but not change. Sometimes what people will do is they'll change the color of the logo, or and
Okay.
these are all comes under brand guidelines, which I think I have explained in session 2 or 3, where you can just search and Google brand guidelines document for any company. Okay, suppose Coca-Cola brand guidelines, or Red Bull brand guidelines, like that. If you search, you will see, means what are the, what color we need to use, what text we need to use, how should the logo should be presented. All of this comes under brand guidelines. Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes.
we need to follow the brand guidelines, and while doing anything. And
Okay.
after that, mm, the, what can I say, important, see the basics, some of the basics which you need to remember are, always make sure the alignments. Okay, suppose if you see the title, uh, and the search in services you mentioned, right? So for title
Yes.
services, this is fine. But if you see
Okay.
mobile number, means it is not, or register now button, they are not in middle also, nor in the aligned also, even the phone number or the address
Okay.
which you mentioned. So, and make sure these are all, I mean, alignments are important. Okay, that doesn't mean all of the things need to keep left only, but it should not
Okay.
be look odd. Okay, that is
Yeah.
it.
Can I like I need to add picture here, and
Okay,
maybe
so
I can align to right.
yeah, you have left, means you have left that space for a picture, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
yeah, then it is fine. Then it is fine.
Yeah.
Then you need to keep the register now little left, aligning the complete all the text. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Got the point.
Yeah.
Yeah. And one more
Tell me.
is
Yeah.
okay. Yeah.
Okay. So is that the logo on the top right? There is some A symbol, right? Or it is just you have taken some image?
It's an image.
Okay, it's image only, right? Not.
Yeah.
So make sure while you are taking the images, I think right now this image you may have taken from Google, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. So that is the reason you will get some, with icons or So
Yeah.
there is something called free stock images or free stock videos. Okay, when you are trying to
Okay.
take, try to take from there, because there
Okay.
you will not get these elements or logos. Okay, which will
Okay.
help you, and also I think. Just also later just share it with me on the WhatsApp also, okay, because my laptop has a slight this color, what can I say,
Okay.
okay,
Fine, I will
there
share
is
all
some color
those.
issue, so I think just send me so that I think that is fine. And see, also don't follow, all the headlines should be of a same size. So right now you
Okay.
kept don't follow, that is a lesser size,
Yes.
okay, font
Yeah.
size. So see, these are important. These are very basics. Always make sure whatever the font sizes which you are using, they should be uniform. Okay. Suppose if you want to keep a heading for some size, so all the headings should be of a same size. If you want to keep
Yeah,
a,
like
yeah.
my doubt is like this is the same size, but while typing, some are getting like it is visible in like it is more size is more, but it is less. But actually, I think these are all same size. Like the size of this
So
is
see, remaining 3 are
2700.
looking same size for me, but
Okay,
first only don't follow
maybe.
is a different size. Okay.
Yeah, maybe I missed. I think so. I
Uh,
will check.
and also see the be educated and responsible for the society. There also the alignment is not there. And
Yes, yes,
responsible
yeah,
for
yeah.
the society.
Yeah, small
So you
things.
need to
Yes,
take care even small things, and these are basics. Okay.
yeah,
We
like
noted
this is
to
the
at starting na we need to make sure all of these basics right. Okay.
yeah.
Extremely means creatively we need to design and all that will come with the experience. But
Yes, yes.
when you are designing starting, okay, all the fonts are of a same size, or all the headings or the alignments are proper, or some of them if you keep bold and some of them are not bolded, then also it will not look good. Okay. And the color
Okay,
alignment is proper or not, visually how it is appealing. Okay, all of these things you need to take care. Fine.
okay.
Yeah. Any other
And
thing? Yeah.
yeah, yeah, one more.
And here I thought you haven't tapped any logo or I think or anything. Okay, you just created normally. Uh,
Yeah, like I have that is the fake news, but I took the picture, but I added this symbol from Canva and added here.
yeah, symbol is fine, but what
Yeah,
is that? Okay, this you created normally, that is fine. But when you are trying
okay.
to design for any company or anything, always you should have your brand
No,
elements should be there.
okay.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah, we can add like here also we can add right in the under, like in the bottom.
right, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Anything else?
Yes, yes, one this I created.
Okay.
But
So,
one small doubt is like the matter is more. I have used the size like 1080 and 1080.
okay.
Can we like can we change the size to add some more?
See, you should not change the size according to the text. You should,
Okay.
first of all, you need to understand where you want to post. Suppose if you want to post this in Instagram, there will be a different
Yeah.
size. If you want to post it
Mm.
as a WhatsApp status, then that is a different size. So you need to be
Okay.
very clear with the 1080 by 1080 is a default one. Okay, where you can
Yes, yes.
most of the places where you can post it normally. Okay, but
Okay.
if you want to go with this platform specific, you need to select the respective size and accordingly you need to arrange. So text you need to adjust as per the size, not other way. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose if you
Yeah.
need to design in a small, let's say you want to post it in maybe WhatsApp status. So in the WhatsApp status, only particular part is visible. So you need to
Yes.
make sure whatever that you are trying to design, it should align with that. Everything should be visible in that layout. Okay.
Okay.
If suppose if the text got more, maybe you can reduce. Okay, suppose if suppose right now you can see two lines are there. Okay, the descriptions.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
you can use the chat GPT and ask, how I want to make it in one sentence, or maybe less than I want this sentence in 3 words only. Okay, like that.
Okay.
If you asked, then you will get a shorter ones. So you need to adjust whatever you need to adjust the text as per the size. That's it. Okay.
Okay. And my like one doubt is like here I have written together for right.
uh,
Here we can move to like a left side and progress to the same size, and it should be small size. Will it be good? These two lines in one line.
Yeah, see, here there is something called typography. Okay, so whatever
Okay.
you have, typography means basically how you will show the letters or words. Okay,
Yeah.
means there is nothing wrong or there is nothing right here. Sometimes,
Okay.
suppose, let me I will show you the, suppose, see, if you want to highlight, let's say here you have highlighted a progress, right?
Yes. Yes.
And that is the reason you keep it in a different color and you keep it a little larger,
Yes.
right? So
Yeah.
that should be obviously like whatever you shown, right? But people's party you kept, right?
Yeah.
That should come, means is it a part of a logo or it's not part of a logo? Obviously it's a BJP, right?
No, no, it is part not part of the logo. It is
Right.
a
So
party
you
name
can
like.
keep that in a one line. And
Okay.
see here the People's Party, the size which you used, okay, font size, progress, the font
Yes.
size you used, and a better tomorrow you used is
Yeah.
completely different.
Yes.
Okay, means this is what I am talking about, the consistency.
Okay.
Okay, so if you want to use, let's say, if you want to highlight, then you need to highlight all of them in a similar way.
Okay.
Suppose see, although you changed the color, but still even the spacings also, see, together for and progress there is a less spacing you used at the top. Okay, and if you come to the bottom, there is a working today for a better tomorrow, there the
Yeah, yeah.
spacing
Like
is more.
line element I have missed here.
Yeah, line alignment also
And
missed,
spacing.
and
And
the
spacing.
spacing, yeah, right.
Yes. Yes.
So that spacings also you need to take care.
Okay. Fine.
Okay,
Yeah.
and yeah, I think fine,
Oh,
remaining is fine.
yeah. Okay. And last one, I need to add some. After doing this, I got to know like I need to add some like packages and something. Can you suggest any more to add? I, even I am thinking it is like simple only.
See, phone number you have added, logo you have added, website is there. At the bottom you kept more space. Okay, suppose if you want to keep
Yes, sir.
some address or something, that is fine. But otherwise, that much spacing is not required. Okay, and also
Okay.
there should be
To
call to action. Like suppose whether it is a call now or
yeah.
book now, or means whatever
Apply
there
now.
should be apply now.
Yeah.
So we should have a
Yeah.
call to action should be present.
Okay.
Okay, so you remember, right, funnel which we discussed: awareness, interest, and the
Yes. Yes.
conversion. So conversion is
Yeah.
where the call to action comes.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah.
Anything else?
These the same, right?
Yeah.
And this is the same, but I created two for like hiring same one, but with a different background.
Okay. So yeah, here also same problem. Alignments there is a problem, and see, open position, uh, that you kept all small letters. Okay.
Yeah, like I did like this, so I created the other one.
Yeah, so it's not good basically. See, all of these
Okay.
basics you understand right now. So
Yeah, yeah, I got to know like how to create and how to do all those, but like some like little changes like
means small changes only there, but those are only important when it comes to
yes,
designing.
yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So
Okay, fine.
that's it.
These
Fine.
are
Yeah.
yeah,
Also
these
try to
are
work on the reels also. Okay.
okay, okay.
Yeah. Fine.
I'm
So
starting the
fine.
sheet.
Yeah. Let me share my screen then. Let's discuss. Okay. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay. Fine. Okay, fine. So yesterday we discussed what we started from the campaign creation. We have selected the leads as an objective, and the budget I told you we can select at the campaign level or ad set level, and we have selected at the campaign level. Okay, lifetime budget. Okay, why we in the lifetime budget only you can share means run the ads with the particular day, which time to which time we want to choose, then we need to keep under lifetime budget. Okay. And A/B testing, I have explained. If we want to do a multiple variations, whether in terms of creative side or the audience targeting side or placement side or the custom. Okay. Custom means you like any way, any other way thing which you want to try. Okay. Test. So but this comes under advanced. But right now when you are specially doing the political campaigns, make sure we need to choose the election and okay, election campaigns, and also means special category. Also take the make sure the verification is done. Okay. Make sure your identity is confirmed before doing that. Okay, before running the ads. And then you need to select the right page. Okay, especially for the political campaign. Okay, for the political campaign only you will see this option. For a normal campaign or regular campaign you won't see there. Just a second. Yeah, so for normal campaign or regular campaign you won't see that. And now come to the next. So second one is the ad set level. Ad set also, while giving the name, try to give it as detailed as possible, so that you will easily understand when you try to when you have a multiple campaigns, some 10, 15, 20 campaigns if you create, it will be easy for you to understand. So what is a conversion? So we can do all the different types of conversions. Okay, whether it is from the website or whether it is from WhatsApp. So right now I just selected instant form, where we will create a form and ask people to fill the form. Okay, when they click on the ad. And here you need to select the Facebook page under ad set level. Okay. Earlier you selected that is for the political campaign specially. Okay. Here that is for a verification, and this is for your regular campaign. Okay, but make sure you select the right page. If you do the select some wrong page, then ads will run from the other page. Okay, which we don't want. And what is the goal of the uh, what is the goal which you want to track? Right now, since I selected a lead campaign, for me these two options are visible. So whatever the campaign objective which you choose, these options, these performance options, you will get accordingly. Okay, if you select a video view, then it will try to optimize for a maximum people video views. Okay. So this data set is specially applicable for the website, which we will discuss later. And after that, the budget. Okay, budget strategy. Budget under ad set level. Suppose in the campaign level, if you select ad set, then only we can, then it will show the budget. But right now I have selected campaign budget and I have kept 3,000 rupees. So under ad set there is nothing to select as a budget. Okay, but the start date and schedule is there, when we want to start the ads and when we want to stop the ads. Okay. So you should be made sure, and even suppose if you don't have the end date also, it's fine, but don't forget, okay, whenever you are running the campaigns, because you are spending the money here, you need to come and verify or take the report every day. Okay, every day, just see the dashboard which I will show you, and what are the metrics, how much it has spent. So if you do that, then you no need to, what I can say, yeah, then you no need to, because what happens sometimes, if you just create the campaigns and then leave it just like that, then it will try to spend. Okay, sometimes it will overspend also. If you don't check, you don't know what is happening, which will eventually loss for you. Okay, so make sure you at least come and check every day once, so that it will be clear. Okay, it will be in control. And then we have seen the audiences, how to create the audience, how to add the location, and you can select the radius also. Okay, you can increase the radius, decrease the radius from a specific location. You can add multiple locations. Okay, if you are targeting multiple locations, you can add it. And then the age group, which age group you want to target. Okay, let's say 25 to 65, whatever, men or women. Okay, if both, I will select all. So this section I asked you to, this I told you like a task. I don't know, did anyone tried, did anyone got a chance to try it, this?
No, not yet.
Okay, so just make sure, this is important. I want you to check and explore each and every, so you need to know like what all the possibilities are there. Okay, so you, based on the industry, based on the family relationships or hobbies, based on the people's hobbies, whether they do the gardening or the music, so you can target everything. So similarly, you can see politics and social issues, so you can target based on the, let's say, people who are into charity, or who are interested in charity or social causes. Okay, you can target. Similarly, environment or the volunteers. Okay, if you want more and more people to follow you, so you can see the people who are interested in political volunteers. Okay, so similarly, so if you explore all these options, then you will get a more audience to target. Similarly, if you already have some idea, okay, suppose I want to see whether anything related to politics is there. Now you can see people who are interested in politics, you can target them, or local government. People, some people who are in, they said there in their Facebook profile and all. Okay, so somehow these are all the different interests. See, these are all interests. So people who are interested in social issues. mm, Similarly, you can target, okay, maybe, suppose now I want to target maybe NGOs. Okay, so you can see these are the people who are interested in NGO. Similarly, for any cause. Okay, you can just search and see what are the options which are relevant to you, and just select. Okay, so here on the right side you can see estimated audience sizes. Okay, based on whatever the options which I select here, this will change. Okay, so it should not be too less, like less than 1,000 and all. It should not be too more, like maybe sometimes 1 billion, 100 million. So then in that case your ads won't work properly. Okay, you can select the languages, placements we discussed, different placements, Facebook or Instagram, iPhone targeting, or different interests. And then the final level is the ad. So here again, the ad name you give, suppose let's say right now you created a creative. Okay, suppose it is related to, uh, maybe you have created a same poster in different colors. Okay, let's say red color poster. So you just write in the red color, so that by seeing the ad name you can understand, okay, this is a red color ad. Okay, or maybe you want to message your message is like one, maybe let's say we are running the Independence Day campaign. So one poster you created with flag theme. Okay, another poster you created with let's say maybe country theme or something. Okay, so you just give the, and also date when you have created this ad. So the more detailed you give the ad name, the easier to you will understand. Okay, so and then there is a partnership ads here. Suppose if there are multiple brands who want to partner, so then in that case you can suppose means it is more for a multiple brands. Let's say there are two different brands which are related to same business, or not competitors, I am saying, which are related. Okay, suppose we will coordinate with if we collaborate with different influencers and all, then in that case we can send the request. Okay, we can add their add them as a partner. Okay, here we need to select, but to select or to become, to make them the partner, first of all we need to have their page access. Okay, so to get their page access we need to obviously they need to add the add us in their page. Then they will be visible here in our business assets. Okay, which you need to select. So this is specially for the when we want to do the partnership, but right now for regular companies, generally they don't do the partnership. So here Facebook page you just once again confirm. Since it's a political ad again, it is asking me to disclaimer needed to run ads. Okay, so it is asking me to create some kind of a disclaimer. So see, means for that it has asking me to confirm the audience. So disclaimer means every issue published by disclaimer with the name of who is responsible for the ad. Okay, means creating the disclaimer means you need to tell that suppose if there is some issue comes, then they will have your details. Okay, your contact information and everything. So you need to add that disclaimer before running the especially political campaigns. For normal campaigns you don't have that. Okay, and then now the important thing is the ad setup. Okay, and Instagram profile, see, since my profile is already connected, it is showing here. Okay, suppose if my Instagram profile is not connected to my Facebook account, Facebook page, not account. Okay, then what happens, here it will not show the Instagram. Okay, it will just show the empty. So obviously then what happens, you can't run your ads on Instagram. So that is the reason you should when you are creating a page only, you need to create connect your Instagram profile with your Facebook page. So then it will show here. Otherwise if you don't have, then it will show here that connect. So once you click on connect, then you need to log into your Instagram and connect, so that you can connect. Okay, and after that you have a single image or video or the carousel. Okay, carousel means there will be a multiple cards. Okay, carousel ad means there will be a multiple cards. So see, this is what we call as a carousel. Suppose if you have a if you want to display multiple pictures, okay, like this. So see, for on a of a particular order, so then you can create a ad like this. Okay, where the multiple pictures will come back to back. Okay, so means then you need to obviously upload or create a multiple images, and then you need to upload. Okay, but right now we'll go with the single image or single video. Okay, So we have selected a single image and the form. Okay, so right now see, this is a I have already created a form. Let me try to create a one more form. So here form name we need to do. Okay, what is a form name? Let's say digital. This is for us, okay, or Independence Day or whatever the form which you want to create, especially for a particular campaign. Okay, so do you want a more volume or higher intent? More volume means the number of fields will be lesser. Let's say you will just ask the name, phone number, or email ID. Okay, that's it. You don't have the, you don't ask multiple questions, and yeah, multiple questions also you can ask. But the difference between more volume and higher intent is, in the higher intent, you can choose require leads to verify their phone number. Generally what happens now, when people click on the ad, they can immediately submit. If you select a more volume, if they click on the ad, then all the details will be pre-filled, okay, because their account is already, it's their account, and the name, phone number will be automatically pop up. Okay, they all they do is they just to submit. So that is the reason what happens, anyone and everyone will fill the form. Okay, even the random people or people who has the account, okay, they don't know about the product or anything, they are not interested also, but they just fill the form. Okay, means they won't manually fill, because all the details are pre-filled, and then they just submit, click on a submit button, that's it. So obviously in that case, you will receive a more leads. Okay, but if you want only, I need the quality, higher intent leads, okay, where people who are interested or people are actually uh, interested to take our product or service, we want only them to fill the form. So then you can select higher intent. Also you can ask to require leads to verify their phone number also. Then in this case what happens, you can see on the right side, uh, once they submit the details, then it will ask to send a verification 4-digit code. You need to enter that code, and after that only they can fill the form. So obviously what happens here, there is an extra step is there. Not all the people who, if I'm not interested, obviously I don't enter this verification code and all. So obviously people who are not interested, they will drop. Okay, people who only who are interested, they will only verify. Okay, so our time will save. Okay, as a business, we have a lesser time or lesser resources. If we select higher intent, although we get a lesser number of leads, but they are more of interested. Okay, so rich creative means you can also add images, while creating the form only here also, but here you can add the image also. Okay, here it will show the image as well when fill in the form. Okay, so I'll select the higher intent and require leads to verify the phone number. So this option recently Meta has given. Okay, earlier there is only manual option. In the manual option, you select a form element that you want to be tailored to each person. So you will just select a form, means you will trade. Suppose if I asked a name, phone number, or email ID, then in that case what happens, it will show the same form to each and everyone. Okay, the same form, and people who are interested, they will submit the form. Now I think it has given a new option. Meta will tailor the form to each person for maximum person or to performance. So some people, they don't want more details, they don't want to give the more details. Some people, they are okay to give the more details. So that performance Meta already analyze on the back end, and it will try to show the ad form which is optimized. Okay, which is optimized to a respective person. Okay, so I'll go with the optimized and then click on the next. Here you can give the headline. Okay, this from here all of these details will be visible. Okay, all of these details will be visible to the people who are filling the form. So background image you can add. Okay, there will be a small background image here you can add, so that it will give a much better experience, and you can see how it is visible in the Facebook or how it is visible in the Instagram. Okay, here you can see. So we can use the image from your ad or use uploaded image. Okay, we can upload a new image also here. And then the headline, get free demo of okay, or you can take the ideas. So when you're trying to create a headline or descriptions or content, all these places you can obviously use the chat gpt to to get the better ones. Okay, suppose we can go to the chat gpt. um, Need to, or I am creating lead campaigns. I'm creating the lead campaigns for my political campaign for form, for lead generation form. Give me headline and description. Okay, you can give more details. Okay, if you give more details, obviously it will give a better output. So right now I just given a basic one. So see, join our movement today. We can take this. Okay, you can see how the on the right side how it is visible. Okay, and the paragraph description, either paragraph you do or in the list format you do, where you can add multiple descriptions. So I'll use the paragraph. So maybe just see which paragraph you liked. Be part of the change, register to receive the campaign. So we can just, once we are okay, we can just do it. So see how before opening the form only, at starting only they will see this. And if you add the proper image, then this will come. Okay, the image will come here. It will look good. And after that, just click on the next. So see here, all the there are 5 different slides. Each slide you can see the preview. Okay, so right now, questions, here also you can give the description. Okay, and what is the information you want to collect. So whether it is the email id, phone number, name, phone number. Okay, do you want to keep optional, okay, or mandatory, how you want to. Okay, so you can, if you want mandatory, you can do that. And you can add additional information. You can ask additional information also, maybe their education. Okay, we can add their education level, or we can add their job title. So basically, what the more details you asked, the lesser enquiries you get. Okay, because not many people, suppose if basic details are they are pre-filled means already filled by Facebook, then people just submit and will get a more leads. But when you add more details, okay, so not many people are interested to okay, suppose if you are running for a b2b means business to business campaigns, then you can ask company name, okay, or work email. So see, the more details you asked, not, since not many people are interested to fill more details, you will get only important leads. Okay, people who are actually interested in your service, they will only fill all of these details. Okay, so right now I'm just removing these which are not required. So I'm just leaving this. After that, you can click on the next. I think see on the left side it is showing intro. Still there is a I think it is because of the image only, it is showing some error. Okay, we can add the image. And privacy policy, okay, the privacy policy URL and all these we should have. Okay, for every website, if you go to any website, you will see the privacy policy page. So you need to give the privacy policy of that page. Suppose sometimes if you don't have the website and if you don't have the privacy policy, then maybe you can just try to create some document and upload into the drive, and you can do that. Or you can take some other website. So it is for internal purpose. Okay, uh, unless and until it is very important. Suppose for political and all, obviously we need to be more, their policies are more stricter. So you need to make sure all of the details are proper. Okay, if something is not you know not clear, then there is a more chances your ad will get rejected compared to normal regular businesses. Okay, so every small thing which you are doing is very important. We can't stress the important. So similarly, terms and conditions, suppose if it is e-commerce, see, let's say there are multiple policy pages. Okay, so you can see cancellation and refund policy, terms and conditions, delivery process. We can add, those are all optional. Okay, not mandatory. If you don't want, you can remove, and then click on the next. So we can see we have added the first slide, and then we have added the how it is visible in form, and after that the verification code will send. So this is a privacy policy we have added in the previous slide. Okay, and finally end screen. And there is a form settings also. So if you want, suppose these are like, this is how your form will be visible. Okay, when somebody, suppose instead of education level, you, if you want to display something different. Okay, if you want to just display only education, then it will show like that. Okay, when somebody open the form. So once you are done with all of these things, then you just click on the next, create a form. So we have some error. Let us see what is that error. So if something, you can save draft. Okay, sometimes if there are any, let us do one thing, use the image from your ad. Next. Actually here there should be one more, I don't know why it is not visible, but you can see the view website, right? So here it will ask the website details. Okay, but right now it is showing the empty screen for me. That is why we are not able to create a form, nor the saving also not happening. So fine, I hope you understand the process. So let me show you the uh, already created form. So we are in the ad stage. Let us set up the creative image ad. So these are all the already previously uploaded creatives. Okay, we can upload, suppose if you want to upload anything new, we can upload from here. Okay, if you just click on the upload, and also from your pages also, from your accounts, different accounts also you can see all the posters here. So right now, suppose let's say we want to create the campaign for a Independence Day. Okay, so I'm just selecting the Independence Day poster. So you can see whether how your okay, how your ad is visible, okay, in different places. Okay, in the landscape mode how your ad is showing, in the vertical mode how your ad is showing. Okay, suppose you can change the ratios. Okay, how you, suppose if you want like this, but see here like this it is not visible fully. So if you keep the original, then you can see the complete poster. Okay, so you can adjust whatever the adjustments which you can do, which you want to do, you can do this here. And then the text. Okay, this is important. Generally in the ads you have the three different things: primary text, headline, and description. Okay, so let me go to the Facebook. I'll show you what is the difference between primary text and headline. So let's see any ad if you can see. Hmm, don't know. Generally it will show the ads, but at the moment I am not getting any ads. Fine, no problem. So, and one more thing is there is some tool called Facebook Ads Library. Okay, this is an important tool through which you can see the competitor ads, or any company ads which you want to see. Okay, what are the ads they are running, how they are running the ads. So you can use the tool called Facebook Ads Library. So here you need to do what you need to do. You can select the country. Suppose right now you are targeting India, or you want to see the company based out of India or targeting India. So you can select India. So see here you want to see the all ads or issues or elections or okay, only political related ads. You can select this. So if you want to see all ads, you can select this. Okay, search by keyword or advertiser. So maybe let's say if you want to see the BJP, select so it's loading. So like that, any company you can search here. Okay, so if the company is existed, it will show company ads. See, right is not showing any active ads, but all of these ads are previous ads. Okay, see these are all the ads which are created by BJP page. And you can also see the details when they have created this ad. So suppose this ad, if we take see ad details, if you click on see ad details, here you can see the see it is this ad has run from 16 January 2024 to 25 Jan, means around 10 days this ad has been run. And how much amount spent, they have spent almost more than 1 million rupees, means more than 10 lakh rupees spent on this ad. Okay, so you can see the ad. Okay, similarly like that you want to see any other ad, okay, or any their details, their text. Okay, what kind of a, so this we call as a primary text. Okay, whatever the you can see on the top, this is a primary text. And whatever you see this bottom, means beside call to action, whatever you are seeing the text, this is a headline. Okay, so this is a headline. and on the top of the poster or video, this is a call to action, sorry, primary text. Okay, so now come to our ad. So, and description also we can do, but description, it is a meta, means it is not mandatory to show the description. Okay, uh, so we can show the, we can add the description also, but it's not mandatory to show. But primary text and headline, they will show. Okay, and you can add multiple primary text, multiple headlines. When we add multiple, then what happens, meta will try to show different time, different headlines or different primary text. So whichever works best, it will try to show. So always try to use the maximum. Okay, don't use single headline or single text. Yeah, it will run, but you can't get maximum out of it. So now I will ask, give me primary text and headlines for the same. Okay, but you need to give the more context so that you will get exact, better versions. So see the primary text on the headline, like that you can copy and paste any primary text and headline which you think is more relevant. So I'm putting the primary text. Okay, sometimes you can use a longer primary text, sometimes you can use a shorter. So for that only we need to do the A/B testing. So I hope you remembered the A/B testing. In the A/B testing, we will try to test with different ads, different headlines, different primary text. Okay, different call to action. So suppose sometimes you can do the call to action uh, as a learn more. Sometimes you can do get offer. Okay, so based on uh, which one. Okay, or see details. So let me select, for this I am selecting see details. Done. So once you do that, now your ad is completely created. Okay, so now it is a publishing. Once your ad got created, it is publishing. But remember, so it is showing some errors obviously, because we are selected a political campaign, right? So for that it will ask the verification and all. We can see where the error is there. So see here it is showing the errors. You haven't been authorized to run ads about social issues or politics. Okay, because this ad account or this page is not verified. So that is the reason we can't run. You don't have a authorized Instagram accounts to run political ads. Okay, Facebook page and Instagram also same. Your ad account has not been authorized. So Facebook page, Instagram page, as well as the ad account. So all of these things are not authorized to run the political ads right the moment. So that is the reason we are not able to publish this campaign. Understand? Any questions or any doubts regarding this? Is everyone understand how to create a campaign or how to create an ad set and a ad? Any questions or any doubts? Yeah, hello. Any questions or any doubts? How to create a campaign, how to create an ad set, how to create an ad? Is this clear, or any questions or any doubts are there?
नहीं है. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Hi, Vijay.
Yeah, hi.
This is Ritu here.
Yeah, hi, Ritu.
Actually, I want 2 weeks details from starting. I want to know. So, can you help me with that?
Yeah, so starting, we have discussed digital marketing fundamentals, where we
Okay.
talked about the what is digital marketing, what is the difference between traditional and digital marketing, and what are the different things inside digital marketing, what are the different modules, SEO, social media, paid, organic,
Mm.
all of these things we discussed. And after that, we have discussed how to create a Facebook page and how to optimize all the details on the Facebook page. And after that, we have
Okay.
discussed how to create an ad account, meta ad account. And
Okay.
then few classes we discussed how to create the posters on the Canva and how to use the Canva, how to design a posters, and how to edit or create the reels, or for Facebook or Instagram.
Okay. Can you show me again? Like, can you get some time?
Actually, I have another
Like
meeting
today
right
or
now.
this week?
Maybe I can show tomorrow. Okay, right now I have another meeting to jump off.
Okay. Okay. No issues. I'm
Yeah,
not asking about today.
yeah.
Like tomorrow, any time? Like in the evening?
uh Evening,
If you are okay with it.
I think we can, is this means in this time, is there any problem, like
No.
yeah?
No, but Vijay, this class should not disturb, no? Whatever is our
Maybe we
9 to
can do
10
at
class.
8:30. Okay. But
Done.
evening I
That is
have
fine.
a schedule. Yeah, yeah.
But no, 9 to 10 is okay, the regular class. And after that, 10 to 10:30, you just take this
No,
one, no?
actually, I have a back-to-back meeting scheduled. Okay, so I may not be able to. But 8:30 it's fine for me. Okay, 8:30 to 9. If you want to discuss anything, or and all, we can discuss 8:30 to 9.
1 second, Vijay.
Yeah.
Any possibility in the evening, Vijay?
Evening actually difficult. Okay, because there are multiple other trainings are going on, as well as few projects. So evening it will be very difficult.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, okay, not tomorrow, day after tomorrow at 8:30, she'll join. Okay.
Yeah,
And
fine.
we have more two candidates also. They are also joining. So I'll take the confirmation today and tomorrow.
Fine,
Once
fine.
they join also, then I'll tell you. Even they will also join for that class. Okay.
Okay, fine, fine, sure.
That will be done at 8:30. Half an hour you take those classes,
Mm-hmm.
and regular class will be from 9 to 10 only. Okay.
You
And
mean to say
as you said,
daily 8:30?
daily 8:30 for these people who are joining new.
But Mohit, actually we haven't discussed this thing at starting.
I know that, but see, these people, they if they are joining, no, they need at least half an hour to explain about like the basics. Only for 2 days you explain them. After that, 9 to 10 classes, okay, they'll cover it up in that,
Okay, okay, fine, sure.
and not for like this one. I'm just telling you that once these people join,
Okay,
after that only,
okay,
don't
okay.
take anybody like single classes. Don't take anything. Okay.
Okay, fine, sure. Done.
Yeah, just for 2 days. In 2 days, you cover all the topics.
Okay, fine, sure. We'll do that.
Yeah, once they join, I'll let you know. I'll be adding them in group, and I'll call you.
Okay.
We'll discuss, and we'll fix one time, and it'll be done. Okay.
Yeah, fine. Okay, that works.
Okay.
Okay
Thank you.
then.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye.